Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome. Welcome back. Close your eyes if you can. Take a deep breath in and smile as you exhale. Today we celebrate health. Today we honor our bodies. Let's begin this journey together.
I'm grateful my body knows how to heal itself. I'm thankful for my health, it's my greatest wealth. I appreciate my body making new cells while I rest. I'm grateful my breath flows naturally, giving me life. I'm thankful my heart pumps blood with devotion. I appreciate my body turning food into pure energy. I'm grateful for good bacteria keeping me healthy. I'm thankful my nervous system working perfectly. I appreciate my body being my loyal companion. I'm grateful my body removing toxins naturally. I'm thankful my immune system protecting me daily. I am a living miracle. I am beautifully designed. I trust my body completely. Thank you, body, I honor you. Thank you, health, I celebrate you. You carry me forward every day. You give me strength in every way. Oh, body divine, I'm grateful for you. More wellness, more joy coming through, coming through, coming through, coming through. I'm grateful my muscles respond when I move. I'm thankful for endurance through life's adventures. I appreciate my spine keeping me upright. I'm grateful my joints move smoothly and easily. I'm thankful coordination between brain and muscles. I appreciate the strength I find in challenges. I'm grateful my body knows when to rest. I'm thankful exercise makes me feel alive. I appreciate my body getting stronger every day. I'm grateful for energy flowing through me right now. I'm thankful my bones giving me strong support. I am strong and capable. I am energized and ready. I move with joy and ease. Thank you, body, I honor you. Thank you, health, I celebrate you. You carry me forward every day. You give me strength in every way. Oh, body divine, I'm grateful for you. More wellness, more joy coming through, coming through, coming through. I'm grateful for clarity when I quiet my mind. I'm thankful my brain learns something new every day. I appreciate my emotions showing me what matters most. I'm grateful for flexibility and adapting to change. I'm thankful my intuition guiding me to good choices. I appreciate the calmness I can find anytime. I'm grateful I can let go of worries easily. I'm thankful my memories storing precious moments. I appreciate my focus getting sharper with purpose. I'm grateful for strength bouncing back from hard times. I'm thankful for this beautiful gift of life. My mind is clear and peaceful. My emotions flow with wisdom. I am mentally strong and bright. Thank you, body, I honor you. Thank you, health, I celebrate you. You carry me forward every day. You give me strength in every way. Oh, body divine, I'm grateful for you. More wellness, more joy coming through, coming through, coming through, coming through.
I'm grateful my body guides me to healthy foods. I'm thankful Whole Foods giving my cells good nutrition. I appreciate water hydrating every part of me. I'm grateful for self-care making me feel cherished. I'm thankful my body telling me when to eat and rest. I appreciate having what I need for my health. I'm grateful for joy when I treat my body kindly. I'm thankful for medicine supporting my wellness. I appreciate healers who help my health journey. I'm grateful I made choices good for my body.
I nourish myself with love. I listen to my body's wisdom. I deserve vibrant health. I'm grateful for the glow when I feel truly healthy. I'm thankful my body's natural rhythm working perfectly. I appreciate my senses bringing me joy every day. I'm grateful for bouncing back strong from setbacks. I'm thankful aging brings wisdom while I stay young inside. I appreciate feeling better each passing month. I'm grateful my body moving toward its best state. I'm thankful for balance of body, mind, and spirit. I appreciate every scar showing my healing power. I'm grateful being alive, vibrant and full of life. I'm thankful perfect health is my natural way. I am radiantly healthy. I am completely whole. I am thriving in every way. Thank you, body, I honor you. Thank you, health, I celebrate you. You carry me forward every day. You give me strength in every way. Oh, body divine, I'm grateful for you. More wellness, more joy coming through, coming through, coming through, yes, coming through.
Breathe in this gratitude. Breathe out with a smile. Your body is listening. Your cells are responding. You are grateful and gratitude transforms. Practice this daily. Watch miracles unfold. Stay blessed. Namaste.